How to turn off animation in Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're using Google Wallet and want to turn off those flashy payment animation, well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it simply and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. So from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, if you scroll down to the bottom there, you can see the option labeled as success animation. So simply toggle that option off, and after that you will stop seeing fun animation after you complete payment or use a pass. And that's it. That's how you can turn off success animation in Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.